Come test drive the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.